Welcome. In this brief tutorial, I'm going to show you the distributed sum example. Not example, a distributed sum ex assignment. Basically, this is a um mini distributed system. Uh, Within the system, I have the client computer. Outside of the system, I have the server. Then I have the leader, and I have a node computer, and then I have the entity class of node. So basically what happens is client contact the server, server forwards, um, contact the servers, but ultimately talking to the leader. Leader collect information, data basically of for the client, and then passes data on to the node computers, spawn threads. These threads work concurrently to solve the task, and once they're done, they will um return a partial sum back to the leader, and then the leader will send each node different nodes work to verify or um proof. And basically so for instance, node one, some will go to node two, some will go to node three, computer three, basically. And then computer three, some will come back to computer one. And then once all computers give the leader the thumbs up, basically, then that means it's good to go. And then from there, the leaders will then inform the client or the client computer, hey, this is your result. And if one node computer, it's not returning return false and doesn't, give a or consensus is false, basically the leader will return information back to the client, obviously not data. It's gonna be like, hey, couldn't process your result, so forth. um so I have it spawned up right here. We're gonna run the program. We start the server first. Server running. We're going to start the client, and then once the client and server starts, the client is going to server's going to ask the client for their name, and the client just going to input their name basically here. Um, we're just going to give it a name here. Um, and then the client, hey, it verifies the server verify the client message, sends a verification back, and then we will enter a numeric value, basically a list of values and stuff, right? And then we're gonna send it back to the server, and after some time, work is computer, we get back um our sum over. So we get our sum back over here, and then it's just gonna prompt us, hey, do you want to continue? Do you want to exit? So again, we're just gonna exit, and whenever we exit, the system closes. We out get kicked out, and basically that's it, right? Um, Server still running, client kicked out, and that's basically the system. Very little complex, but very simple. Uh, yeah, that's all.